Hey there, Kipsters. Mr. Piazza here explaining to you what are the details, goals, and outputs for your time in this group, the supported group. So first I want to explain why you're in this group. If you're in this group, the supported group, you are here because you had an average of below basic or far below basic, which is less than 60%, on all content according to our FSAs. So that's how I pick the students in this group. In terms of your goals for this program, I have two. The first is that you get mastery stickers, so that's either a smiley face, proficient, or an advanced star for all key standards. So those are the objective assessments that are aligned to key standards, and during each day I'm going to make it clear which standard is key for you to retake. So your goal is to get stickers for those standards and those objective assessments. Your second goal is to get proficient on all key standards on all 4 FSAs leading up to the CST. You're going to take a CST every Friday leading up, you're going to take an FSA every Friday leading up to the CST that's only going to have key standards on it. That means the really important content for the CST and for algebra next year. Your goal is to get proficient on those key standards. In terms of your output for this time, this is the work that I'm going to be grading as your classwork and the things I'm going to be holding you accountable each day. The first is that you submit all assigned independent practices with a blue ribbon score. This will mean that you should complete at least 1 video per day, including the objective assessments you may need to retake. So if you go to the MathCast website, you see there's a series of videos. You are not going to watch all of these. If we did, we wouldn't have time to really master them. So I'm going to assign one each day that you're going to do, submit the independent practice for, and then retake the objective assessment to earn your sticker. Your goal is to be able to do at least one of these each day. Part of that is also to make sure that you retake the objective assessments until you earn your sticker. So if you need to retake it more than once, get some help from a peer tutor from Mr. Piazza, that's fine, but you're going to do it until you at least master 1 objective assessment per day. Those are your 2 outputs. Last is my expectations for you during this time. So I need you during this time to always try your best. I'm going to spend the most class time with your group, which should allow you to master the content that you have not mastered before. For this to work, though, you need to try your best to learn always. If you are trying your best, you will do well and be in a really good place for the CST and a much better place for algebra next year.